Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing the faulty Southbridge chipset chip in this Windows 98 PC. And I've got some replacements here. So this is an Intel chipset. As you can see, it's not. So the one in here got fried for some weird reason, not sure why or how, but I'm going to be replacing it and hopefully the computer will work. But first, I have to get this thing taken apart, so I'll be back. So the PC is disassembled. Right here we have the here we have the motherboard, and right here is the faulty chipset. Not sure if you can see, but it's a little bit burnt in the middle, which is weird for some, that shouldn't happen, but somehow it happened. So I'm gonna get some flux, put it around the chip, and attempt to desolder it. So readjust the camera, and let's start desoldering. So, I've gotten the defective chipset chip off. Did a pretty terrible job at it, but I got it off. I have a new one here, and it looks a lot better than the other one. And should be able to go on like that. So, what I'm going to do now is just take off some residual solder, take off the residual solder, so that I can apply some new ones and attach the new chip. And these chips already came with solder balls, so I don't need to worry about that. Just need to clean up this solder here. Okay, so I had to do most of the soldering off camera because it was taking way too long, but unfortunately the first chip failed, as you can see. So I used another one, and I don't think it's really soldered on properly, but we'll see. It's at a little bit of an angle, as you can see, but I think we should test out the board and see if it works. Okay, so computer's back together. Now I'm just seeing if it'll work. I guarantee you something's gonna blow up. And my cat wants into my room. And if nothing blows up, it's definitely not gonna work. And yeah, it doesn't work. So yeah, not a surprise, it still doesn't work. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with my soldering job. So let me just put this in correctly. That scared the hell out of me. So the metal cover was on the ground, and I moved my chair and I hit it, and it made this giant screeching sound. I moved that to the carpet. So, unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be working. Let me remove this lower RAM stick just to see if that'll make a difference. I accidentally damaged the lower RAM stick, RAM slot. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and it doesn't work. So, this is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.